Here we want to find the average of 5 6, 4/3, and 7/12. Now, how do we find the average of three numbers? We find the average of three numbers by finding their sum, then dividing by the number of numbers, so we will divide then by 3. In other words, the average is 5 6 plus 4/3 plus 7/12. Once we find that sum, we then divide by 3. So let's concentrate on that. First, let's find the sum. We need to have a least common denominator. It is 12. So let's write each fraction as an equivalent fraction, but with a denominator of 12. Now I know 6 times 2 is 12, so 5 times 2 is 10, plus I know 3 times 4 is 12, and 4 times 4 is 16, and then plus 7/12. And don't forget, we'll divide by 3 when we're done. Now that the denominators are all 12, we can add the numerators. 10 plus 16, that's 26, and 26 plus 7, that's 33 over 12. Now we'll divide that by 3, which means we will multiply it by what? By 1/3. Now, how do we multiply fractions? Well, it's just numerator times numerator over denominator times denominator. So numerator times numerator over denominator times denominator. And notice 33 and 3, there is a common factor of 3 there. So I'll write 33 as 3 times 11, then times the 1 over 12 times 3. And then I can divide out that common factor of 3. What do I have then? 1 times 11 times 1, which is 11, over 12 times 1, which is 12. The average of these three fractions is 11/12.